He's so unknown to me, unlike all other men. One moment he's so close and warm, and then he's far again. Maybe his inspiration takes him to a different world. Or could it be his love I don't deserve? I'm sick of broken hearts and all the shattered dreams. Another case of come and go, no more than what it seems. But he's the man I can't deny who sets my passion free. The strangest secret flame inside of me.
The beauty in your face, an everlasting grace. My lady, my Madonna, dazzle me. Your charm I've never seen, a most majestic queen. My lady, my Madonna, won't you shine for me? Soft colors of the morning, sunshine in the night. You thrill my wild imagination in either dark or light. Your eyes so bright and deep like fire on a summer's day. A golden rose that never fades away. The beauty in your face, an everlasting
Don't have a
grace.
clue.
My lady, my Madonna, dazzle me. Your charm I've never seen, a most majestic queen. My lady, my Madonna, won't you shine for
Is it my heart he's after? The question lies within. I can't be sure he wants a lover or just a mannequin. This kind of feeling I have never ever felt before. It's so